2¼ inch ball. I had it inch and a half, 2 inches above 1 o'clock. Right. So I'm going with that again. I'm going to see if I can just adjust that a little bit. My only problem is that I can't remember what the gap was, so I'm going to guess and hopefully I'll get it right. Excuse me. Right, 50 yards on the green ball. Oh, higher and further to the right. Okay. That proves it. I'm not very good at gapping. Right. But in all honesty, it was a 3D at 50 yards. More than likely, I'd have got me scabbing 2 for 10 or whatever. Right, so third arrow. Still going for the tiny green ball. What the heck? I don't. That's low right. That's by the red cross. I don't know what I did wrong there. I'll watch the video. Maybe it will. I don't think I did anything wrong. I just effectively, if I had sights, I'd put the wrong sight gap on. Sight pin. Right. Okay. Bonus ball. And it's really weird. On the past 3 ends, my first shot has been my best shot. Very strange. Right. So. Down the tiny green ball, 50 yards. Okay.